Cubby. I'm sorry, Daddy decided to eat it last night, you guys. He said that you guys could have just the pretzels. That one's just pretzels. Daddy decided you could just have salt. What? Annabelle, come here. Oh, come here. Annabelle, come here, honey. Come here. Come here. Annabelle, honey.
Don't talk to me.
Annabelle.
Leave me alone.
Annabelle, want to call Daddy and ask him?
No.
Oh no! What?
Look at that's in my sucker.
Yeah, your daddy said he ate it and dropped it, so it's yucky. What do you think, Gavin?
Nasty.
What are you gonna do about that, Gavin? You're gonna put it in the garbage? Lanny, what's wrong? Guys, are you mad? Yeah, those aren't toys, those are pretzels. We ate all the candy and took all the toys. What do you think about that, Gavin? Oh. Hey, guys! Well, then I guess you don't get all this candy.